a while. And next up, I would like to introduce, we're going to have some music from Clodagh Warnock and some of her students and a group. And she's actually an old teacher of my own when I was younger. So Hossi Clodagh Igshenam and Idil Nuravishi Shacht and Mlina Dish. Agus tashi mar wanihor, agus mar wal, den banda mor lara Déanta, agus leshen banda shin hien she and bouzouki, and bodhrán, agus and idil. So Clodagh started playing the fiddle when she was only 7 years old, and she is a founder and a member of the band, the well-renowned and well-acclaimed band Déanta, and with them played the bouzouki, the fiddle, and the bodhrán. We're so lucky to have such an amazing musician playing for us today, along with everyone else who she is also playing with. She actually signed with an American record company and produced 3 different albums, and has toured the world extensively and also given workshops around the world. Ac full her at the minute, Tishi in a my villa, as Paddy would say, or Bun and Fubble, and is living in Moville, or as Paddy said, and as a founder of Ceolan, the traditional music group there, and also an active committee member of the Inishowen Traditional Music Project. And Ceolan is also in its 13th year, and I also took lessons at Ceolan myself, so it's an amazing project in Inishowen to promote Irish traditional music in Inishowen. So Bawaihlum falcha a chur of Clodagh to me go pin a chur hienish on a skujiglev a leg eka, so that you can see her. August falcha Neil Sugum K a will Shaw. I don't know who's there, but I'm sure Clodagh will give us will introduce. So Clodagh Matatu Ray, Gurmila Maigov.
Into Réaltín, can you hear us okay?
Yeah, we can hear you.
All right. Dave, everyone. Oh, look, is Mr. Clodagh, August is Muncher Ceol, me Tommy and Shaw and you, Ler McClan, Minion Evie, August Mowak Fillon, August Mohashki, Cara, Maeve Gillen. As Réaltín said, Tahoni, Oran, and Bonfobel Inish, and Inishowen is a dish cart na hern. Fia Mela a Cahar Dara. So we're in Moville, which is 20 miles away from Derry. We're right up at the top part of Donegal. Evie.
Is there Evelyn? Tammy could blame a jig beach. August Shannon and Angel, August and Clarsha. What are you saying in English? I'm 15 years old.
Eva Gactina, Smithshire Finon. Is Tammy Sharkmina, jig beach, August Shannon and Moscow, August and Bodhrán. So I'm Finon, I'm 17. I played the button, the accordion, and the bodhrán.
Dave, Maeve is Anandum, Tommy, he has a door, Lena de Ish, August Shannon and Fiddle, August the PD Illich, August Lime and Kate Déanta, the Clodagh, Laura Tossin, she and Clodagh. So I'm one of Clodagh's first students whenever she first moved to Moville. So I'm still going and I'm still playing, so she did a great thing there.
Oh, Réaltín.
Réaltín is in one of my classes at the very beginning, so it's great to see you, Réaltín. It's great to see you again.
So Anish Akarja College a Bish na Blasu den Ceol tradition to a Chelsea Dave. We're excited to be able to play a bit of music for you. Tasu ogum go being fish shove salt as we hope that you enjoy it. So ta an Ceol Gaeilge Dramaíocht agus Sean Scala feature a Ceol tradition na Erin. In other words, the music, the Irish, the language, the drama, and the old stories, they're all interwoven in what we have in our traditional music in Ireland. It all tells a story. So Erdos, Bainwich or Shenyam couple of port, we're going to play a couple of jigs. Issy Arcade, Fly in the Porter, Slivu, Paddy O'Brien, or Tipperary, what's it? Tipperary. So the first tune is a jig called The Fly in the Porter, which was written by Paddy O'Brien, a very famous, and unfortunately now dead. First aid bass. He's an accordion player from Tipperary. Then we're going to play Port Woods of Calrua, August, my Dungannon sweetheart, Mahashki Dungannon. So, okay. Woo. So, yeah, 3.
Air brilliant.
Brilliant.
Loved it. I'm
Very
clapping
good.
away here, tapping me toe.
No, Rinka. No, okay. What are we doing now? Oh, I'm now in our, okay, so Anish Shenfi and Iron Shanna. An old song, an old tune. Tá Clodagh Gaeilge and Shan agus Inshin sé Scialta Fui Amshire Crew. A lot of our music is very old, very ancient, and this is one of those pieces. And Evin, Critch or Clarissa, Clarissa. There's two words for harp. Clarissa, August Critch, right? So whichever one you want to pick. This is called the melody of the harp, and then what's the next tune called? The Clodagh Porta. Let me see. Erdus, Genuine of the casual, Scrive Josephine Keegan on Arvana. So this tune is the first one is a reel called the Old McCashel, which was written by Josephine Keegan, a very well-known piano player from County Armagh. And well, there's two tunes after it. So let's just play. Okay. Okay, so please each, okay. I'll just start. anything?
Yeah.
We stop anytime or we'll play another couple if you want.
Yeah, go for another 5 if you'd like.
Okay. Well, let's see. Well, we could, yeah, go for the hard one. You know, we can stick one of the needles on the end of it. So, right? Okay. So let's see now. Anish, Champy May and Air on Gritch. Let's see. Skrivu Liz Carroll from Chicago. Into my fiddle. What's it called? The Urchin. August Tarish Dinya Ceolan Polka Triptychon. Tourist go thing. Absolutely. Yeah. Thank you.
maigh is she sin galanta ar fad.
To Fulshire Road agus Gurmaigat and I've done college to Elms, August the Irish Cultural Centre, August especially Gurmaigat Réaltín.
Oh, thank you, Clodagh. Gur míle maigh. And thank you to Aoibhinn, Finan and Maeve as well, and Clodagh for taking part. That was beautiful. And I'm so glad and grateful that we got to listen to a bit of Irish traditional music today, especially when you are so busy in the midst of the fleadh as well, I think, isn't it? So yeah, we're really lucky to have these guys here today. So gur míle maigh agus to stúlagum, and I know, I hope, but I know that everyone else enjoyed that. So gur míle maigh and all more sa fleadh and good luck in the fleadh.
Gurmaigat agus Sean Boy.